happy Friday, last day of the week. Yay! And we had a short week, so this is kind of fun. So we're going to talk about what you're going to do today. Today is Friday, April 17th. What's due today? Do you know? Digit expository essay. So hopefully you have that done, or you're close to being done, or you're working on it today to finish it. Awesome. So let's talk about what else we're going to do today. So math lesson, we're doing lesson 86, which is multiplying fractions and whole numbers. And after I go through the rest of today, I'm going to show you a few examples in this video of how to do that, okay? So you're doing lesson 86. You're going to read pages 559 through 561 in your textbook. That will show you examples about how to do this and better explain how you go through that concept. And then you're going to be doing some homework. It's been a few days since you've done homework, so hopefully you're excited and ready to go. You are going to do pages 235 and 236. So this is 235 and 236. And you are going to be doing the even problems. I want you to do the even problems, okay? So for lesson 36 homework, page 235 through 236, I want you to do the even problems, okay? Complete those even problems for me. You do not need to turn them in to me today. Just complete them, have your parents check them, and you are good to go. So that is math for you today. Then we have reading. You're going to read for 30 minutes, and you're going to continue to study your vocabulary sheets for Unit 15 words. We have a quiz coming up this Monday, so make sure to really go over the parts of speech, the definitions, and how to use them in a sentence, so you'll be ready to go for the quiz coming up. Awesome. All right, for English, we are finishing off. You're doing 2 days today. You're going to be doing week 15, day 4, and day 5, since we had a shorter week this week. So you're going to do week 15, day 4, and week 15, day 5. Day 5 is going to be working with some vocabulary and a little bit more writing. So complete both of those for me today. Remember that your DLRs do not need to be turned in to me. You just need to have your parents check them and let me know that you've completed them so I can get you your completion grades for those that English work, okay? So let me know once you've got that completed. Alrighty, now optional fun, inventors. These are people who create things that solve a problem or help us. Now we're going to be doing an inventors project coming up, but this is just a little intro about inventors and what they do, and also it's going to give you a chance to think about what you could invent if you were an inventor, which we kind of all are inventors. So what you can do is you can go to homeroom, you can go to schedules, and if you go to today, April 17th, you're going to see optional fun. You can click on that link. You're going to learn a little bit about some inventors, and then you're going to have an opportunity to actually show what you would do if you were an inventor. So that's optional fun. If you have time, you can get online and do that. Also, your digit expository essay is due today. Go ahead and continue working on that. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd like that to be finished. That needs to be turned into me so I can get you your points. Couple other reminders. Number one, we have a Zoom session today at 11 o'clock. So feel free to join that if you have not already joined the one on Wednesday, or if you just want to join both and you want to come today too, that is no problem. So we're going to join that Zoom session today at 11 if you can. Also be studying for your vocabulary quiz that is coming up this Monday. I will be sending out the new schedules to you hopefully by Saturday, maybe Sunday, so you'll know what work needs to be completed, and then everything will be uploaded to LMS so you can use those worksheets, those tests and quizzes on LMS hopefully by Sunday, maybe Saturday. All right, so let's talk about math here really quick. I'm going to erase this. So we are working on multiplying fractions and whole numbers. Now you know how to multiply fractions. We've done that plenty before. You multiply straight across, and then sometimes if they're improper, you make them proper. That way they are in the right way to put them as a final answer. So today we're going to look at some homework questions actually. So these are going to be questions on your homework. So we have 2/3 times 2. So we have our fraction here, and we're multiplying it times our whole number. So there's actually a quick little concept that you can do to solve this. It's not as hard as you might think. Whatever you do when you're multiplying a fraction times a whole number, what you do is you take your whole number and you're going to put it in fractional form. It's going to be the numerator, and the denominator is going to be 1. So whenever you're multiplying a fraction times a whole number, you put that whole number over 1. Now you just multiply like normal. You're going to multiply straight across. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 1 is 3, okay? So now, is this proper? No, it's not. So we're going to make it proper by dividing, all right? So I'm going to divide 4 by 3. Well, 3 goes into 4 one time. 3 times 1 is 3. So that'll put 3 here and subtract, and I'm going to get 1 left over. So I have 1 as my numerator, but how do I know what my denominator is? Oh, that's right. I use the number I'm dividing by. So 3, okay, is our denominator. So our final answer is going to be 1 1/3. So really, you're multiplying like normal. You're not doing anything different except for the fact that you're taking your whole number and you're putting it over 1. So let's try another problem. This is also in your homework, though it is an odd number, so you wouldn't have to do it. So this one says 3/4 of 4. Do you guys remember what the word of, what it means in math? It means multiply. So I'm going to erase of, and I'm going to put my multiplication symbol. Now, what do I do with my whole number? I put it over 1. So I'm going to change this into 4 over 1. Now, I'm going to multiply just like normal, straight across. So 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4. All right. Now, this numerator is much larger than the denominator, so I know this is improper. I need to make it proper by dividing. So now what I'm going to do is make my division problem. 12 divided by 4. Well, this one's going to actually just have one complete number, no fractional parts, because 4 goes into 12 3 times. So 4 times 3 is 12. When we subtract, we will get nothing. So therefore, our final answer is 3. Alrighty, so that's just a little intro into that lesson for you. If you go into math, go to lesson 86. You will also see some additional videos that will help you understand this concept if you need a little bit more practice. Have an awesome weekend, guys. Looking forward to seeing you, some of you soon on Zoom. Enjoy your weekend, and I'm excited to see you guys back here on Monday. Have a good day.